Imagine coming home to a crystal clear pool without lifting a finger. No scrubbing. No vacuuming. No expensive pool guys. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the trap. Most robotic pool cleaners in 2026 are overpriced, underpowered, or secretly cost you hundreds in hidden repairs. I secretly tested 5 of the newest models, from budget to luxury, and what I found shocked me. Let's dive in. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi. When we first put this robotic pool cleaner to work last summer, we were immediately impressed with how quickly it cleaned a large pool. Within a few weeks, we were also impressed with how it had eliminated any need for manual cleaning. This Nautilus is strong enough to vacuum up debris and intelligent enough to map its cleaning path around a large swimming pool. The connected app lets you start cleanings remotely and schedule them regularly. The 60-foot power cord won't tangle as it cleans up to a 50-foot pool, and its smart navigation system guides its cleaning so it works with any in-ground pool shape. The Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi is excellent at climbing walls and even schemes along the waterline, turning corners with ease. Our only qualm with this robotic pool cleaner is that it can't clean pool steps and will occasionally get stuck on them if it tries to climb them. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi is a pool cleaning robot for in-ground swimming pools. It has dual scrubbing brushes and an independent suction system to remove pool floor and wall debris. The accompanying My Dolphin app allows you to start the 2-hour cleaning cycle remotely if the robot is in the pool, and create a weekly cleaning schedule with notifications. The Nautilus has a 60-foot power cord that won't tangle as it cleans up to a 50-foot pool. Its smart navigation system guides its cleaning, so it works with any type of pool, from rectangular to kidney-shaped. The Nautilus has a 2-hour cleaning cycle as its standard, but I noticed that achieving a spotless pool took only a short time. If I ran it first thing in the morning, before the filter turned on for the day, it took closer to 90 minutes. This robotic pool vacuum's powerful suction and smart navigation help remove debris quickly and efficiently. Number 2. Aiper Seagull SE. The Aiper Seagull SE is available at a pretty attractive price and is cordless, making it one of the best robotic pool cleaners for those looking for a value product. However, this cordless robotic pool cleaner has some compromises compared to the more expensive Dolphin vacuums. It doesn't climb walls, for example, and it only cleans smaller debris from the pool floor instead of larger leaves. But it's a great, straightforward way to clean your pool without breaking the bank or cleaning your pool manually. The battery should be fully charged after about 2.5 hours of charging, and it'll run for about 90 minutes of cleaning. It's not for pools with wrinkles in the lining, large slopes, or pools bigger than 850 square feet. Equipped with powerful dual-drive motors, the Seagull SE 2025 tracks down and collects the most types of dirt and debris with ease. This cleaner features 2 independent brushes to give your pool a deep clean. No more messy hoses and no more tangled cords. The Seagull SE 2025 is completely cordless and hassle-free. Simply power your cleaner on and submerge it in your pool and the cleaning process automatically begins. The newly designed battery only takes 2.5 hours to fully charge and provides over 90 minutes of cleaning capabilities. Ideal for round above-ground pools, up to 33-foot diameter. Number 3. Beatbot AquaSense Pro. The Beatbot AquaSense Pro, available at Amazon for $1,799, is a robotic pool vacuum boasting a laundry list of impressive specs on paper. In practice, the specs shine in most spots, though this luxury pool cleaner does find itself in a bit of a jam in some situations. If you can get past a mediocre app and a huge price tag, the AquaSense Pro could quickly establish itself as your right-hand bot for keeping your pool clean. If you're looking for a less expensive robotic pool cleaner, check out the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi. The AquaSense Pro is what Beatbot calls its most advanced robotic pool cleaner. In addition to everything on its spec sheet, the AquaSense Pro uses SonicSense ultrasonic technology to create a virtual map of the pool it is cleaning and then proceed to clean said pool in S and N-shaped patterns. It is also capable of picking out particles up to 150 micrometers in size and can withstand temperatures of up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit while in use. I used the Beatbot AquaSense Pro to clean a 40,000-gallon pool about 40 feet by 30 feet. The pool has curved edges, with rounded stairs in the shallow end and 2 sunken single-step platforms elsewhere. It measures 1,200 square feet, which is within the AquaSense Pro's reported max capacity of 3,229 square feet. Beatbot markets the AquaSense Pro as the world's first all-in-one intelligent pool cleaning robot. It's a bold claim, but this hefty cleaner has plenty of specs to back it up. In no particular order, the AquaSense Pro has 20 sensors, 9 motors, 4 brushes, 2 files, 5 distinct cleaning modes, and up to 9.5 hours of continuous runtime. 5-in-1 cleaning power effortlessly clean every pool surface, waterline, walls, floor, and clarify water using one device. Save time and effort with innovative submarine propulsion. Number 4. Intex 28005EZX300 Deluxe Automatic Pool Cleaner. This inexpensive robotic pool cleaner requires an Intex pump with a flow rate of at least 1,600 gallons per hour. As such, it's only meant for above-ground pools with 1.5-inch fittings. Like some other options on the market, it has dual rotating brushes and can climb walls for a thorough, top-to-bottom cleaning. Reviewers say this is a great pool vacuum robot, capable of vacuuming up tiny debris and small leaves. The price point is attractive, but you'll want to research and ensure it's compatible with your pool before you pull the trigger. It's made for precise above-ground setups. If you need a conversion kit to turn 40mm connections into 1.5-inch ones, there's a bundle with those adapters. And there's a wall mount surface skimmer available, too. This powerful pool cleaner is designed just for Intex pool owners and will automatically clean and vacuum the entire pool floor for hassle-free pool maintenance. Vacuums come complete with a 24-feet hose and attach easily to Intex inlet connectors with 1.5 inches or 38mm hose fittings. For Intex above-ground pools with filter pumps with a flow rate of 1,600 to 3,500 GPH. Not suitable for in-ground pools. The Intex above-ground auto pool cleaner is constructed with durable materials, long-lasting use, and is compact and lightweight to keep your above-ground pool clean. The cordless vacuum requires a filter pump with a flow rate between 1,600 to 3,500 GPH and is not suitable for in-ground pools. Clean the skimmer baskets regularly to prevent poor pool cleaner performance. Number 5. Zodiac G3 Automatic Suction Side Pool Cleaner Vacuum. This automatic vacuum is relatively simple compared to many robotic pool cleaners. If you're hesitant to invest in a more full-featured cleaner, this might be what you're looking for. It probably won't pick up larger debris, like sunken leaves, but it will automatically skim along your pool floor and vacuum up most dirt and other debris. It has a simple diaphragm system you can open up and empty when vacuuming, but otherwise, this is a low-maintenance, fire-and-forget approach to pool maintenance. It won't clean the walls or the pool surface like a Dolphin robotic pool cleaner would, but it'll let you go much longer between manual cleanings with a net. Suitable for all pool surfaces, the G3 Pro sets up quickly and expertly removes debris while thoroughly cleaning pool floor and walls to the waterline. Featuring durable hoses that are scuff-resistant and the self-adjusting flow keeper valve that automatically regulates water flow, peak performance is ensured even with low-speed pumps. The Zodiac G3 in-ground suction pool cleaner is a quiet and powerful suction cleaner that works with low-speed pumps to clean with maximum efficiency. The G3 will devour small and medium-sized debris without trouble to ensure the floor, walls, and steps of your entire pool receive a thorough cleaning. So, which robotic pool cleaner won? The answer is in the description. I've linked every single product tested, including the #1 winner that shocked my entire team. But here's the thing, these deals change fast in 2026. If you wait too long, the price jumps or stock disappears. Click the first link in the description, grab the winner before it's gone.